Hello, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Thank you for watching. Hey, so once again, tonight we'll do our rotation. I did it Monday, so I'll pull out, this is slot number 1, so I'm pulling out slot number 1. Move you around a little bit there. So, hey, this weekend I've got some chicken, and I'm thinking we're gonna mess around and maybe make some kind of carnivore chicken salad and some chicken waffles. Just go with it. Just smile and say, "Okay, Terry, okay." But that's what we're gonna do this weekend. But I gotta melt it, or I gotta defrost it, because hey, something ain't closed. I'm feeling air on my face when I squish it. Well, all right, you made it through. Anyway, so I'm gonna let it defrost in the refrigerator. So that's not part of the rotation. But look, so we pulled this one. This one comes up to be slot number 1. This is slot number 2, slot number 3, and now we need to put something in slot number 4. So hold on. So wait. Today's Tuesday. So I gotta think about it. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This will be Saturday, so I just need one other meal and a breakfast. Now I don't even need a breakfast to go with it. I just need one meal to go with it. Okay, so I'll use this and this. So whatever that is. So there we go. Alright, so wait a minute. Hold up. Tomorrow's Wednesdays. I already have Wednesday sitting up. I already have Wednesdays over there. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that's Saturday. Well, I can swap them around this weekend. It's okay. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Alright. So I got it all out. So, all right, so we've got everything out till Sunday, so we just rotated. But the original slot number 1 is over here, so hang on. So I don't know if I told you all, but I think I figured out why this coffee is so disgusting without the sweetener and the syrup in it. Because it's instant coffee. Instant coffee is gross. But when you put the syrup on it, it'll make dog poop taste good. So that's why, guarantee you that's why I'm like, bleh, when I'm drinking my coffee in the morning. However, I already took my Duma flipper downstairs and I'm not going to bring it back up. And I guess I could make myself coffee at work, but then what am I going to sip on in the morning? So I'm going to fill up my kettle over here. I need to get a little more water in it. But anyway, there's only 5 more days left. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. What's the worst thing that can happen? I'll just keep choking it down. But yeah, I was thinking about that today. I was laughing. I'm like, Terry, you numbskull. It's no wonder you don't like it, because it's instant coffee. And I'm not a real coffee connoisseur, but like the real coffee people, they'll tell you that instant's gross. And it's just kind of bitter. And that's what it is. It's bitter because I don't have all the good stuff in it. But that's all right. We got it. It's going. It's back there. I just had to whine about it for a minute. Hang on. Sorry. I'm still having to pop my ears. I need my lunchbox. So I had a lanyard at work for my name badge, and it broke. So I had to go on Amazon and order. You know, I can't just order one of anything. What if one of them breaks and I need another one? So I ordered a new lanyard, so that way at work I can have my badge on me. So I'm going to put these in my lunchbox so I don't forget them. And while I'm on it, let's just get me a spoon right now. Okay. So we know we're going to have breakfast, which is this. So I know we'll be having that. Then it comes down to, we've got ribeye and sirloin. I I think I'm gonna take the sirloin. Boy, I sure seasoned that up. That's a lot of pepper, I think. Look at all them black spots, unless that's mold. I think that's pepper. I don't know what it is. But I think oh, yeah, that's pepper. Ooh, yes, girl. Oh, Lordy. Lordy. So I'm going to take the sirloin with me tomorrow for lunch. I'm going to have beef twice tomorrow. Cha-chow, cha-chow. So I will probably add, look, you people that complain about my salt use, I'm going to add salt to it tomorrow. So if you're watching this video right now and you're like, that girl sure uses a lot of salt, maybe just push pause and check out a different video, because I'm probably going to use a lot of salt tomorrow. I like salt. It's what I like, and it does my body okay. Everything's good. My labs are good. My doctor's happy with me, so I ain't worried about it. But you don't have to add that salt if you don't like it. But I'm going to do it because it's what I like. Okay, bye. I'm getting sassy in my old age. Hey guys, remember that this is maintenance calories, 2,200. I am in maintenance mode. I am not in weight loss mode. If I was in weight loss mode, I would lower the calories. So there's my weight today. Again, for maintenance mode. Good morning, it's breakfast time. I have my 3 bacon and my and my egg muffin. I'm so used to saying egg casserole. So just remember, this is an experiment, and if I was trying to actually lose weight, I would look at the scale, and if the scale did not move for 4 to 6 weeks, I would say, okay, let me lower the calories a little bit. So that's how I did it the whole time I was losing weight. I know people are asking in the comments how, did I stay at 2,200 calories? No, my calories got as low as, they were 1,200 for about a month, but then I was not comfortable with that, so I took them back to 1,400. So my calories got as low as 1,400, on a steady basis. So I would stall for 4 to 6 weeks, drop 100 calories. Stall 4 to 6 weeks, drop 100 calories. So, it's your body. You have to make that decision. I can't just say, oh, this is the magic number of calories. You just kind of have to try it and see how that works. But if you're just starting, try it 2,000, try it 2,200, just start somewhere. That's the thing. You have to start somewhere because you have to know what's going to happen when you do it. So anyway, so I got my bacon, my eggs. Y'all know I tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly because I was on Mucinex. It dries your body out, and because of work, I was not able to drink as much as I usually do because I had so many meetings. I didn't want to over drink and have to go to the bathroom all the time in both those meetings yesterday. So so I did not drink a lot, and I should have, because going to the bathroom, I had issues this morning having a bowel movement. I mean, I got it, but I do not believe it was diet related. It was because my face, I just feel it all in my skin. I'm very dehydrated right now, but I'm going to pour on the water today and tomorrow and get myself back up to being hydrated. So anyway, just thought I'd let you know that, if you take Mucinex, drink a lot of water because you'll have a problem afterwards. Okay, bye. Hello, it's lunchtime, and I've got my sirloin steak. Looky. Hold on. Okay, people were walking by. I didn't want y'all to hear them. So let's see. I kind of have a feeling I'm gonna need more salt, but let me see. I'm putting on lots of salt because I like it. Yum, yum steak. So, like I said, this is sirloin. I think it was 12 ounces. Hopefully I said it in the beginning. My macros are going to be at the end of the video, just so you know. It's fabulous. Okay, see you later. Bye. Let me show y'all what I remembered. I had forgotten. When I was carnivore, you know, I went through this mouth thing too then. And one of the old school people said to try this. It's Biotin Dry Mouth Moisturizing Spray. It is a sugar-free, and let's see if I can see the ingredients. Warnings, directions, trademark. Nope, it doesn't list the ingredients. But anyway, this was something that they talked about on the zeroing in on health. So if you're a carnivore and you know you're kind of winging it and not really sure some of the things to do, you need to join that Facebook group, Zeroing In on Health. And that's where all the old school carnivore people are. But anyway, they're the ones that had mentioned this spray. So, okay. It's just enough mint that gives me a flavor. I totally forgot about this stuff. Wonder when the expiration dates. Yeah, December 2022. It'll be all right. If as long as this video uploads, you know I still lived. So, but anyway, so yeah, that was something I totally forgot about. I found in my work drawer. I'm a hoarder, so I found it in my work drawer over here, but something to try. Hey, supper tonight. I've heated up my ribeye. It's still got some pink in there. So that's what I'm going to have. And I am going to zhuzh it up with some salty stuff because we know I've tasted it and it needed more salt. So hang on. Come on with me. Let me show you what I'm going to do. Come on. We're going to add some smoked cherry salt. Putting in my hand, about that much. And we are going to do, nope, not Chef's Blend. Nothing wrong with that. I just want to do hickory. Gonna put a little hickory salt in there. Going to do a little, gonna use a little garlic salt. Now, let me stir it up and see what I think. Yum, yum. I'm doing okay. Still doing okay. My mouth is still like annoying me. I almost grabbed some gum again today. Like towards the end of the day. I put a little salt in my water. I can't say it's helped. But and then I put some salt in my hand and that kind of helped. But the thing is it doesn't last very long. But, you know, I'll quit whining about it maybe. One of these days I'll quit whining about it. All right, let's see. Let's just see what we think here. Let's just see. I'm going to add some more plain salt. Now, let's try that. I'm hungry, or well, what I interpret as hungry. I still don't fully know hunger yet, but, that's perfect. But yeah, I'm doing okay. I still the mental game, you know, with it all, but it's good. So, all right, that's gonna be my supper. I'll drink my water, and I'm hanging in there. Oh, you know, I did do last night. I didn't record it because I only ate one. I gave the dogs one of these last night before I went to bed, and I had one. I had one crackling. So I didn't chart it, but I didn't tell y'all, but I had one last night. I might end up having one again tonight, but just one. Okay, bye. Here's my macros and calories for the day. Thank you for watching.